What's going on, guys? Well, I thought about it and I said, you know what? I should totally make a quick video and go over the things that I've done to the bike so far. So thanks for tuning in, and we can kind of go over what I've done and what I want to do. And if you guys have any recommendations, hey, feel free to put them down in the comments. Be happy to hear them. Let's warm this girl up here. Okay, let's do this. Let's mount this thing. Oh! It's really not that bad. I always exaggerate with it, guys, if I'm honest. It's funny. Tell you what, it's been so long since I haven't ridden with earplugs in. This stuff's loud. So yeah, tech tip, guys, if you're not riding with earplugs, you really should, because this stuff gets real loud, man. Anyway, it's a little nippy out here in Central Texas. When I say nippy, I mean when you're used to 95 plus and it's I don't know, maybe 50 something out here in El Lago. Anyway, yeah, I want to talk to you guys about what I've done with the bike, man, where I'm going with it, and you know what I'm thinking about it so far. So let's go to this local spot here. Getting those new homes built. And everybody needs a place to live, huh? That's right. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a real nice day, man. Really nice day. I'm sure there's gonna be plenty of folks out there that are gearing up to leave the house now, man. So be safe out there, man. I'm surprised I'm not seeing any deer right now, but I'm not complaining. I'm just, you know, looking out for them. Because, you know, for some folks, you know, you live in a neighborhood where there's a high deer population because, you know, you can't shoot them. So, and half the community likes to feed them as pets. There's a couple back there. But hey, you know, everybody's getting a slow start this morning, except for these folks getting after it. I like that. I see why you look now. You're doing all right. Get him, killer. Get him. Don't back off, killer. Get him. Yeah, there's some nice people around here, though, man. How you doing? All right. Yeah, nice folks. You know, she's waiting for breakfast, as you can see. Waiting for breakfast. Yep. Alright. Whoa. See, that's what I'm talking about. I ain't playing when I say there's got a deer population out here. Yet. Well, got you a nice mature buck back there. Makes me want to watch some Meat Eater. That's with my boy Keith Warren. Let's see here. One of our local parks. It's always nice to get out here and stretch your legs, you know. Let's see here. Can I get you a neutral, girl? Oh, wow. Look at that. Now, can I get this out of my pocket? All right. Let's see what we got out here. How about I go right here, man? Like these seats are available. So yeah, man, thanks for everybody who's been commenting on the videos. I appreciate it. You know, I wasn't sure how things are going to shake once I sold the AT, man, but you know what? It's hard not to like a motorcycle, like pretty much no matter what. So I think that's really cool. One thing that takes some getting used to is that kickstand is definitely a lot weaker than on the AT, because you know, guys that have watched me before, I've always been quick to grab and hop on this thing like a horse, but can't really do that, not like I used to. But that's all good. That's why I'm over 6 foot, so it's really not a problem. Just take some adjusting. So I'm rocking the Mosko Moto Reckless 80 bags. So what I've done is I've cinched down the bags, so you know, it gives the appearance that they're much smaller. I mean, obviously it's a lot less carrying capacity. I still have my big bag up here on top. What I have in it now, maybe my what do you call that? It cooks really fast. I'll put some kind of picture, you guys. Yeah, I'll put some picture in. But okay, I want to talk about, I finally got my my protection in, got some pillow top grips, but I'm really excited about this fuel tank. The 3.9 inch Kirby's tank, man, should get me at least 150 miles between fill-ups. So whenever I'm able to go out west again, and once riding season hits next year, because it's starting to cool off, unfortunately. So I'm definitely excited about that. Now, someone mentioned the Moto Minded dash. I definitely looked at that last night when I finally had a chance, so I'll look into getting that, because that's going to come in handy. But okay, definitely want to talk about the seat, man. Seat concept seat. So when I first got the bike, you know, I'm not going to kid you. I'm not kidding you guys. It was a lot of vibration, at least for me, you know, coming from other types of bikes. But the seat, man, not only has it raised the seat height up, which I really enjoy, but it also is a much more pleasant ride. Man, I ride this thing all day long. No problems, no issues. Really excited about that. I did just order last night the Tusk D Sport dual sport tires. So I'm excited to have something that's a little bit more dirt oriented. Don't get me wrong, the Michelin was this Anarchy tire. Great tire so far. The wear has been really good. I've gotten good traction, honestly, going off-road. But I'm just looking to step it up just a little bit. I did upgrade my rear spring. I reached out to Slaven out there in Colorado, I think Colorado Springs, and those guys hooked me up. They took care of me. Let's see here. So for you guys that, I did put a Tusk rear rack on there. That was not that big a deal. You know what? I'm going to take my Reckless 80 off real quick, because I want you guys to see just how hard or easy it is to take off. So yeah, let's go ahead and take this off real quick. So I went ahead and just hooked this up real quick, and I just cut an old tube up just to kind of protect. You know, that exhaust is hot, but I wanted a D-ring style, but all they had was the ring style. Okay. Let's go ahead and take this off. That way you guys can see just how easy it goes on and off of EXC. Just in case you guys hadn't seen it, or, you know, whatever. So don't mind my strap. Back when I had my Africa Twin, because it's actually got some age. It got a lot of miles on it now. I didn't tie that down. I was going such a short distance. I thought, yeah, it should be able to just dang. I'm only going not even a half a mile, quarter mile. Tore both straps up. So anyway, wow, that's so much lighter with all the stuff in there. So here we go. Here's my Tusk rack. Now, oh yeah, and the protection for the bag. But I was really excited to finally get that rack, man. It was about just over $150. I did have to cut into the plastics underneath. You can't really see it, you know, but I'm glad I didn't have to actually, you know, cut into this rear part right back here. But, you know, I just cut into it, as you can see here. Honestly, I just used a I just used a knife, man. I didn't, nothing fancy. I just took my time, tried to cut it as precise as I could. That way it looked good for anybody who wants to get under there and look. But yeah, this is what the bike looks like without the Mosko Moto Reckless 80 bags, which I highly recommend, dude. I mean, I was on the fence about getting them when I did, but I'm so glad I did, man. I mean, they've served me so well. I beat up on them, you know. So yeah, let me know. I know I've talked about the mirrors with somebody, so we'll upgrade the mirrors, but for now, tires are coming. I upgraded my tank, upgraded my seat, got it to where I could put my Reckless bag on and then not tear the back end up. Moto Minded dash. I still want to get the Trail Tech Voyager Pro. So I just think that's an awesome setup, but I'm going to read more into it. What I like about it is I'm able to, you know, hook my phone and my headset up to it, and you know, it's just really neat. I mean, because on the last bike I had, I was very spoiled. It had Apple CarPlay, so it'd be awesome to have something like this that's under 300 pounds still, and have, you know, similar functionality at least, where I'm able to, you know, at the touch of a button. And I do want to upgrade the headlight. So front suspension, headlight, mirrors, dash. There's still tons of things to do. But like I was telling you guys before, that's what I love about a freaking dual sport. There's so many things that, you know, you can do to these bikes, you know, just like any bike, you know what I mean? Just like any bike, but you guys know what I mean. Some bikes, it's harder for you to find parts. You know, not a lot of companies make parts, so that's another reason why I went with this platform. I just thought it was an awesome platform to go with. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and strap my bag back on. I got some honeydews to take care of this weekend, so I'll be lucky if I'm able to get 150 miles in, but I'm gonna do the best I can, guys. So anyway, stay good to yourself, take care of yourself, take care of your families. You know, remember what's important in life, guys. You know, I was talking to a buddy of mine, and you know, the older I've gotten now, all this motivation stuff, man, like, it's great, it's fine. That stuff never lasts. You have to be disciplined. So I've been working on getting my fitness level, because to have a bike like this, man, I'm not doing it any justice being as big and as out of shape as I am. So I've been working on that here. So wish me luck with that, guys. Anyway, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Go out there and ride. That's why you bought those bikes. That's why you're watching this video. Do what is necessary, man, to make yourselves happy. Well, take care, guys. Peace.